be adding a note para hindi ako makalimot. That's what the most important thing. But don't do this as a practice, guys. It's not good practice, but sometimes it works, sometimes not. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, guys, we will be cash stuffing our paycheck number 1, our first paycheck for the month of April. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Val. I am a mom of 2, a wife, and I do work full-time. And most of my content here in our channel is my own financial journey. So I share my cash stuffing videos, how I do my budget, how I do my savings update, and also with my utang update, guys. If you are interested in those kind of content, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and of course, share this to your friends and family that you felt na they needed this type of content. Also, you felt inspired on all the video that I am making for you guys. So just like I've said, we are doing some cash stuffing video. I haven't cleaned up some of here. Yes, some of here are already blank, so I'll just proceed and look at my budget for the paycheck number 1. Let me pause a moment, guys, and before we continue for our video for today, I just wanted to let you know that I'm offering my financial journey template planner for free. So this is going to be a free download for you guys. All you have to do is just click down the link below, where you can add your name, your email address, where I can send this over for you. This is totally for free. I'm giving it out for you guys as a thank you for supporting my channel. The budget planner is the same planner that I'm using in all of my videos, guys. So this one is very helpful to use. It's very helpful for me. So again, thank you, and let's dive in back to the video. I have already my income, first income. It's gonna be, I don't know, sure if you can see it here. I hope it's very clear, guys. We are in the month of May. We are almost halfway to the year of 2024. And how are you doing, guys? Comment nyo naman sa baba on how you're doing with your budgeting method, with your utang, and are you still staying on top of your finances? Are you not losing yourself? Are you doing it slowly by surely? Wala tayong tag hundreds, but I do hope na I can work it out. Okay? Nakuhaan ko na to ng 500, guys, because I needed to pay something. And let's start with our cash stuffing. By the way, before I do that, let me just do the savings projects. And I have the 1 month ahead, birthday funds. And guys, if you can hear my electric fan on the background, I do apologize, guys. Kasi hindi ko pala na-charge yung isang mini fan ko that I usually use when time na nag-film ako para hindi siya masyadong maingay, and sobrang init, so please do bear with me with that noises, guys, because kind of annoying, but what can we do? I'll start with, oh my god, I forgot to get the calculator. Here we have, let's have the 1.5 plus 1.2 na utang. So ang problema kasi wala akong 200 dito. So let me just try put up here 3,000. But I'll be adding a note para hindi ako makalimot. That's what the most important thing. That you have your sticky notes, you have your notes. Last night lang, it took me 2 hours to balance my money. What I'm trying to say balancing is that binabalance ko where is my money, and in terms of bank transaction, kasi it has to be equally what I put in my notes. So let me just 300. Okay. So yung sukli is 300 here, and it's good that you are putting some notes. Saving, of course, that's gonna be every end, but don't do this as a practice, guys. If you can and if you could, please do practice the income minus savings minus expenses. Mine kasi is baliktad. Income minus expenses minus savings. So which is not good practice, but sometimes it works, sometimes not. Okay, I saw some number writing here. I'm not sure if this is acceptable. I just saw it. So what can we do? It's in my hand na. So grocery, it's 2K. Then mamaya nito, guys, I'm gonna be working on with my credit card transaction. And then allowance 3,750. So let me just put some 3,800. So nakuhanan ko na siya ng 5. So 3,300 na lang. I'll do the 1, 2, 3. So tapos yung 300, I'll just write down the notes in here. $300 is in the debt para wala nang sukot-sukot. 300 is in the debt. So it will remind me na yung 300 pala na sukli doon is going to my allowance. So this is what I do. Oh my god, yung notes. Talaga ako marunong mag-cut. Anyways, para tipid kasi, guys, kailangan nating mag-maximize ng resources para hindi tayo masyadong magasto, no? Hindi tayo masyadong magasto na nga ako. Dito na lang. Lagay ko na lang dito, 300 is in the envelope. There you go. I have already these notes in here just to remind me. And I have the public transportation. I'm increasing my public transportation, guys, to 1.5. Why? Because yun nga, I'm paying 120 every time na pinahatid at sundo ko yung anak ko sa suki namin na habal-habal driver sa kanyang swimming class. So I'm increasing that kasi nga I do not want to be overwhelmed with how much kulang or in terms of yung budgeting. So it's better that I'm exceeding compared to hindi naman exceeding. I have Momshi, which is my mother-in-law. I'm giving her 3,000 each month for her medical education or allowance or anything she wanted to do. Then we have the budget of medical or vitamins, guys. I will usually put in 500 here, and then just in case that time comes na yung usually binibili ko talaga is si Berocca, although we have multiple vitamins, vitamin C, and iba pa rin kasi yung binibigay ni Berocca sa akin, guys. So hindi ako nagbibili ng full price ni Berocca. Tina-timing ko siya na meron sanang like 50% off. So with the 50% off, bibili ako ng mga siguro 5 or pangbultuhan kasi I don't know when babalik yung 50% discount off ni Berocca. So that's what I do. That's why meron akong pondo dito. Then, oh my god, wala akong 200. So 2,200. I just put that. Sukli na 300. There we go. Miscellaneous as usual 500. So meron akong sobrang daming babayaran kasi bibili ako ng load, babayad pa ako ng Netflix. So yeah. Love funds. Actually, yung love fund, it's more on pag may extra ako. But next is tuition. It's 1.5 plus 800 plus yung common which sorry. 1,500 plus, lagay ko na lang dyan 800 plus yung common na 1,000. So, 3,300. 1, 2, 3. Tama ba to? So, yung 300, kukunin ko siya sa swimming class. Okay. So, lagyan ko lang siya ng special needs here. Lagay ko dito, it's common 1,000. Tapos, tuition 1,500. Tapos, allowance 800. Tapos, magkano to? 2,000, 3,300. So, yung 300 nasa swimming class. So, mahirap talaga pag walang tag hundreds, guys, because, you know, okay. For the medical fund, siguro, I'll just put 500 for now. Kasi mas maiging may nailalagay ako kaysa wala, di ba? So, I'm putting 500 here. Buti na lang talaga hindi ako nag-avail ng additional insurance namin. Kasi, parang mabigat siya and I don't think it's gonna be worth it. I'm not sure kung meron pa ba akong ibang dapat babayaran dito. But let's see. Okay, what I'm going to do, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, yung 7,000, meron akong extra na 7,000. Hindi ko siya ubusin, guys. Lalagay ko siya sa savings here. Yan. There. So, ganyan ko siya gagawin, guys. Then, next step ko is, let me just get my mobile phone. Yung next na gagawin ko, guys, is yung credit card transaction ko dito sa Union Bank para mabayaran ko siya. This is what I do. I think, for me, I failed on this part kasi hindi siya up to date or anything. I don't know. Let me see. Okay. Kita ba? Kita niyo pa yan? Alright, so ang gagawin ko is meron tayong April 3, I think April 14. Yung last na nasulat ko dito, which is 75. Tapos, I have Jollibee na 234, bayad na din. And then, I have Move It on April 15. So, I already listed all the transaction in my Union Bank account, guys. And is it okay? What I'll do is I'll pay up. I'll start with the Move It. Yari ba ako dito? 1,029. Okay, yung gagawin ko guys, kunin ko siya sa public transport ng 1,000. Tapos wala naman akong 29 pesos dito, so I'll see what I can do here. There we go. Tapos, ika-crash out ko na lang yung nabayaran ko na. I think that's what it is. Already paid. Move it, move it. Netflix, 549. So, dito ko siya kukunin sa miscellaneous ko, guys. Okay. Tapos, kulang ko siya ng 50. Tapos, wala naman akong 100 dito. So, I'll just put here, check, pero kulang ng 49. So, I'll just crush it out. Tapos, ano pa ba? Grab team, nandun yun siya sa account. Move it. Tama sa grocery. Meron akong grocery dito. 910, 370, 13. Tapos wala pa akong ano dyan. 300. Wala na talaga. Yan na lang yung ano. Grocery kasi wala pa. Let me try to get here. Yung coffee, 175. Wait, yung coffee is 175. Tapos may Jollibee na 392. What else? 380. Medicine, 200. Wala ding ano yung medicine eh. 200. Ito nga lang. Bayaran ko na lang muna ng 1,000. So, kailang magkulang-kulang kasi babayaran ko naman talaga yan mamaya. Here we go. Yung sa Vistamar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Tapos 11K yung nandun. So 5, 5. Tapos pay off ko muna to. Di ba pala ito pa yan? Wait lang. Nabayaran ka na ba? Bumaba ko ng 1,000 sa grocery. Nakalimutan ko guys. Wait lang. Sadali ito. Hindi. Hindi ako kumuha. Pero, kung grocery yung pag-usapan natin, yung Watson, counted ko siya kanina. Yun na yun. Okay. I will update siguro next time on this one. Kasi I need to, find some hundreds. Wala naman tayong hundreds dito. Pero yung napakamahirap talaga na gagawin. So, yun. Okay. Paano ba yan? So, ito na guys. Right. Okay, so quite still the same, still the usual. This is what I do in doing my cash tapping videos, guys. And I do hope you get some insight, you get some mini information, you get some inspiration in terms of doing and handling your finance, your budget, your personal thing. And yeah, thank you so much guys, and I'll see you in our next video. If you like this video guys, please maawa kayo, like nito para more of content like this, and ibu-boost ni YouTube yung ating content to more audience like you. And if you have friends, family, or relatives you felt that they need this kind of videos, please go ahead and share. Okay, thank you so much, and I will see you in our next video guys. Bye bye.